today's video, we're going to be installing the side steps on my pickup truck here. I got a brand new 2500 Silverado HD, and I'll apologize now in advance. There's probably going to be a bunch of background noise here in this video. We live on a busy street. People are mowing their yards and things like that, so hopefully it's not too bad. But yeah, me and my roommate are going to see if we can knock this out and show you guys how it's done. I'll be using an assortment of different cameras today to make sure we can try to cover as much of this as possible. I just bought this hat thing here where I can mount the GoPro on it, and then I've just got my Hero 8 and the Sony for the time lapse. So the parts are pretty basic. We've got 8 brackets here, the 2 side steps, and then we've just got the screws and bolts, and that's pretty much it. We'll start by getting up under here in a moment, figuring out which of the little plastic things we need to pull out here. About there. So I have like 2 options right here, but I think it's actually going to probably be this one and then this one of those 2 there, and then you probably got one down there, right?
There's only one here.
Okay, so we'll use that one.
So I think it should be like, use one here,
yeah,
pick one of these 2, there's one right there by itself,
yeah, and then 2 here,
one of those.
What we'll figure out, let me see, slide it can slide this way a little bit, right?
That would be the most even.
So I think about right there is probably where I'd want it, which gives me,
actually scoot just a little more
towards me.
Okay. I think that lines up with this.
Okay, and that looks pretty good here too, and then that gives me either hole option here.
And then is there one we have to remove on this side over here, or is
it should be above it, so if there's not one directly above it,
there is right here,
yeah, so it's those 2. I need to look at one thing.
Okay, so these aren't tabs, these are just like rubber.
Yeah, they're just little, that's what I was saying, like needle nose pliers is what I've seen them pulled with. So we put the brackets on first, and then before we put the side step up there, we have to slide these screws into the grooves that we're going to connect it in at.
Which one do you want of these 2? The one?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what Tan's doing right now is he's pulling out the factory pre-drilled holes, the little plastic covers over them. And there's going to be 8 of those per side because there's 4 brackets. And there's one that's on the bottom and one that's on the top. Now they have more hole options than you actually need. And that's probably in case you buy different sized side steps. So they give you a few different options. So I got two here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 there, and then out down at Dan's end over there I think there's another 4 way down there at the end. It keeps popping off.
I'm just using the screwdriver to move this out a little, and then I use the other thing here. Here, you got it?
Go for it.
That angle. Here we go. There we go.
Got it?
Yeah.
All right. So got all those pulled out in a matter of a couple of minutes, right? So I'm getting all these screws, these bolts and washers set up while Tan's going ahead and screwing in the first bracket. There's different size washers here, so I'm just trying to preset these up so we have them ready to go. It is scorching hot out here today, so the sooner we can finish this, the better.
I'm just hand tightening these in right now.
Yeah, that's what they say, like just do them by hand, and then after you get them all in place, then you can tighten them all.
I just need 2 more bolts.
Go.
Just give me 1 more.
Go. Yeah, I'm thinking what I'll do is I'll hold it over top and you can kind of drive the screws close to where the brackets are, and then we can set it down and I can slide it left or right to see where I want it to be in the final place.
Yeah, I think we're good.
All right. You want to hop out to cool off for a second?
Oh no, actually put that up there so
yeah,
I can
so
line
say
this
I already
up.
have it ready. Oh, and it's hot as fuck.
Oh, black is black. Maybe you want to use the gloves then.
Oh man,
Where are the gloves?
it's super hot.
You're gonna pick it up. There we go. Hold on. Drop it a little. There we go. Pick it up again. I need to get this bolt in there. Wait, don't pick it up all the way.
Yeah, I'm just trying to
Drop
tilt
it. Drop it. I got it. Leave it be. Hold up.
I'm holding this end down, and that way if you push that up, it doesn't come out over here.
There we go. You can drop it.
Okay.
There we go.
All right.
Now you can position it
Let me set that.
whichever way you want. Like this. I think this is this is aligned up with right here.
Yeah, right there's good.
Like if you want to look under, see where I'm lining it up with.
Well, I can see from the outside it's pretty much in line with the line of the door.
Yeah, okay. Because this is where this breaks.
Yeah.
There's a section here, so that's where it is.
No, that looks good.
Okay, give me a couple nuts. Here. Is there washers for it too?
Yeah.
Well, while I'm doing this, if you want to do the other side, feel free.
All right.
Save some time. Just start getting those brackets on, and I think the tool is set with the 13 mil.
Okay.
So it should be good. Do you see it?
Yeah.
And do you have
I'm gonna just drop this back in there.
And then you should also grab the flathead screwdriver and the
I already took it over there.
that tool so you can pull out the plugs.
Where's the ratchet?
It should be by me somewhere down here. Maybe I'm sitting on it.
Yeah. Thanks. I'm gonna go ahead and steal the GoPro. All right, Tan's finishing up that side. I'm gonna head over to the other side and get started. Got all 8 of those out, and now I'm going to, or 16 I should say. Now I'm going to start working on the installation of the brackets. That's the final product of that. I think it matches pretty well with this and the one on the rear. I'm glad I went with the 6-inch. Let's check out the other side.